Our little guy was back. That's our bluebird. I'm kind of hoping he'll come back and just sit right here on the top of the birdhouse where he has a nest of birds inside. There he is. Oh, he's looking pretty blue today. Hi, bluebird. I always think these bluebirds are a sign of happiness and good luck. He'll be back soon. He likes to hang around this garden because I have lots of flowers. There's my St. Francis statue. And my yin-yang circle that I made. There's my little bridge and the cherry tree I just planted. My new fountain that I just put in. And a couple of rhododendron bushes that are just blooming now. I love peace. I love love in the garden. Wishing you a happy day and a lucky day since you've already seen the bluebirds. Bye for now.